Hey guys, welcome. Let's cook something delicious. So I had been craving something with like tomato sauce and shrimp. So I don't even know what I'm going to call this, but it's shrimp spaghetti with tomato sauce. So I'm here going to boil the pasta. I ended up having to cook a little bit more because I cooked too little. So I did add a little bit of salt to the pasta just to add a little bit of flavor. I wasn't adding any salt to the shrimp because the seasonings had obviously salt. So I let the pasta cook for about 15 minutes and then I poured it out. In the meantime, we were going to cook the shrimp. So I probably let the shrimp cook for about 5 minutes or so, and then I added the seasonings. So for the seasonings, I wanted like garlic and pepper seasoning, and then I don't know why, but I've seen people using cumin, ground cumin. Let me know like what what is cumin, because I had never used this, but it didn't taste bad. It tasted good, and like I said, I didn't really add any salt. um and then I added onion powder because I'm not someone that really likes onion or garlic on their food. I like garlic, but like not like the chunks, if you know. So I did add a little bit of this other shrimp too because it was going to be a little bit of shrimp. But yeah, this is basically what I did, guys. I ended up did making enough for like let's say I ate about 2 servings, so I probably made enough for like 6 or 7 servings. So yeah. And I did use olive oil whenever I can. I like using olive oil. And you know, I thought that the shrimp didn't have a tail, but they did. So that was kind of annoying. So next time I'll make sure to buy shrimp that don't have, you know, the tail or the peel. But yeah, I towards the end I did add a little bit of butter to the shrimp just to make it a little bit more like buttery, and also the shrimp were like drying. The water dried pretty fast, So just make sure you lower the heat. I kind of had it in medium heat, so it dried too fast, because also the shrimp were a little bit frozen still. So yeah, just make sure to always watch your heat.
햇살이 너무 좋았어 그냥 모두 좋았어 널 만나서 모든 게 다 잠에서 깨어나서 휴대폰을 먼저 보게 돼 참 많이 변했다는가 세상에서 제일 행복한 순간 널 만나고 매일 겪게 돼 매일은 감사하죠
Let's hopefully you guys can see. Let's add our seasonings. I'm going to add the garlic pepper seasoning. I'll add a little bit of onion powder. And to be honest, I don't even think I should add any salt. I'll add maybe just a little bit, but I want to add a little bit of cumin. I don't think I've ever used this, so let me know what you guys use this. Okay. Okay, a little bit of cumin. I kind of want to add a little bit of butter. What do you guys think? Some more of the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this country rock butter. Scrub. Obviously, I can't do this with one hand. Made it with spaghetti and shrimp, but this kind of sounded pretty good, guys. So if you guys end up trying this, let me know what you guys think about it. And then I already have the spaghetti there. We're going to add a little bit of, well, we're going to add the roasted garlic sauce, and then that'll be pretty much it. So I let it simmer for probably another 5 minutes, and then it was ready to eat. There you guys go. This is the food, the spaghetti with shrimp. Something simple. Okay, I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but I know you guys been asking me for a cooking video, so here it is, guys. Like I said, something simple, but I was going to make this yesterday, but didn't turn out. Okay, I think it tastes good with the shrimp, right? Oh, and then I have sourdough bread. Let me get it. Okay, here it is. So don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys try this out, tag me. So yeah, I don't know what I'll call it, but delicious. So this is my dinner. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon.